Good afternoon. Welcome to the review of Swiss watches from Ulysse Nardin. This watch has been worn by its owner with care and attention, so it is in excellent condition. The case is made of stainless steel and measures 47 millimeters, which makes it quite large and impressive. Watch glass mineral, which provides reliable protection against damage. On the hand, this watch is additionally decorated with an alligator leather strap, which not only looks very stylish, but also provides comfort when worn. The mechanism of the watch is mechanical, which makes it even more unique and interesting. The dial is in excellent condition and there is no damage to the watch. All in all, this Ulysse Nardin Swiss watch is a successful combination of beautiful design, high-quality materials and reliable movement, which can be a great addition to any outfit and last for many years.